Okay, so let's have a quick look around inside the WP Toolkit plugin, which allows you to search through, find and install all of the plugins and themes and WooCommerce extensions very, very quickly and easily. Once you've installed the plugin and activated it with your license key, you'll notice we have a page for override nags, which allows you to get rid of the nag messages from WP Dev, Woo Themes and Gravity Forms. Okay, first of all, let's head over to the themes page. And once that page loads up, first of all, at the top of the page, you'll notice you can filter by all the themes that you have installed on this particular site, those not installed, and those that have an update available to make it very, very quick and easy to find things that need to be updated and run the update. And next, let's have a scroll down so you can get an idea of how many there are available. Now, I'm not sure of the exact number at this point because the last time I checked there was over 380, but we are constantly adding new themes all the while. But as you can see, I'm scrolling down and scrolling down and scrolling down, and it keeps going. There are hundreds of themes, all premium themes, all built in, so you can just search through, find the one you want and install it. When you find one that you want, you just click on the install link here, and you can always click on more info to find out more about that theme and have a look at examples, things like that. Let's scroll on down. As you can see, almost there we go, there's the bottom. That is over 380 themes. Now let me scroll back up, and next we'll go and have a look at the plugins page. And again, at the top of the page, you can see you've got the option to filter by all, installed, not installed, or update available. And again, if I grab the scroll bar and scroll on down, you'll see that the list of plugins goes on and on and on and on. Last count, there was over 250 premium plugins included, but again, we are constantly adding new ones to the site, to the library for you. So there will be new ones popping up on a regular basis. And if still scrolling down, almost at the bottom, there we go. Okay, so one of the last ones is WP Toolkit itself. So there are an awful lot of plugins, over 250 at the last count. And last, we'll go across to the WooCommerce page. And again, you've got the filters for the different views available at the top. And if I grab the scroll bar and scroll on down, again, last count, over 200 WooCommerce extensions. There's an awful lot of them in here. So if I scroll down, keep going. And again, we do add new ones in whenever we can. So this list is likely to grow. Any that are discontinued, we take out. Includes the YITH WooCommerce extensions as well. All the way down to the bottom, there's the last couple. So as you can see, there's an awful lot of premium themes, premium plugins, WooCommerce extensions, all built into the WP Toolkit library for you. And the beauty is, with the WP Toolkit plugin itself, you can access all those themes, plugins and extensions directly from whichever site you are working in at the time, whether it's yours or a client's, whatever it may be. You install the WP Toolkit plugin, you then have everything available to you directly in that site. There's no going off to a third-party site and searching through loads of different bits and pieces. You've got it here. You can do a Control F to find, put in the name you want, it'll be there, and then just install it. It makes it so much simpler and quicker and easier for you to actually find what you want and use it. So go ahead and grab your copy of WP Toolkit now, so you've got complete access to this massive library of premium professional WordPress tools.